In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and use the scale ratio in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Adobe Acrobat Pro is a versatile tool for handling PDFs, especially when working with drawings or plans where measurements are important. Understanding how to set and use the scale ratio can make a significant difference when you need precise measurements. So, let's get started. First off, you need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Ensure you have the right document, especially if it contains the drawings or plans you'll be working on. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the top of the Acrobat interface. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Tools section. Inside the Tools menu, look for the option labeled Measure. Sometimes, it might also appear under Analyze as the measuring tool. Selecting this will enable the measurement toolbar, which is essential for the tasks we're about to undertake. With the measurement toolbar active on your screen, you need to perform a simple action to proceed. Right-click anywhere on the page. If you're using a Mac, you can control-click to achieve the same result. You'll see a menu pop up, and from there, you should select the option that says Change Scale Ratio and Precision. This is a crucial step as it allows you to set the scale necessary for your measurements. Once you've selected that option, a dialog box will appear, aptly named Change Scale Ratio. Here, you'll enter the scale by defining the measurement units in your PDF alongside their real-world equivalent. For instance, if the drawing indicates 1 inch, but it represents 10 feet in the real world, you would input these values accordingly. This helps Acrobat Pro calculate measurements based on real-world dimensions, which is very useful for ensuring accuracy in your work. Additionally, within this dialog, you have the option to set the precision for your measurement results. Essentially, this lets you define how many decimal places you want to include. Setting this correctly can make your measurements more exact and prevent rounding errors. Once you've entered all the necessary information, both the scale and the precision, go ahead and click OK. This will apply the scale ratio you've set. Now, you're ready to use the distance, perimeter, and area measurement tools. These tools are part of the measuring toolbar you've enabled. When you use them, your results should accurately reflect the real-world values, thanks to the scale ratio you configured. This not only ensures that you understand the true size of the elements in your PDF, but it also underpins any decisions or analyses you might need to conduct based on these measurements. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage scale within Adobe Acrobat Pro, enhancing your ability to work with technical documents and ensuring you maintain precision in all your measurements. Happy measuring!